All right, here we go. Last pack of the footballs.
Oh,
Oh, killed it. All right.
Some packs.
Yeah, let's see. We got Jamar Chase, David Montgomery. Let's see who's that. Rodney Harrison. Okay. Aiden Hutchinson. Another Henry Thomas super rookie. Kent Hull. Jim Everett. I know who that is.
Whoa.
Tyrone Hughes. Cortland Sutton. I don't know who that is. Turn it around. Jim Morrissey. Okay, I know who that is. Kyle, does that say Duggar? Kyle Duggar. Philip Lindsay. Ricky Walters. Brett Perriman. Garrett Bowles. John Reed. Jimmy Smith. Will Anderson Jr. Christian Kirk. Aldel Greco.
What?
Cortland Sutton. Michael Crabtree. Gary Zimmerman. Kevin Hardy. Russell Wilson. And we got Terry Bradshaw. All right.
Did you